I'm West.
That's Lucy.
West Goes Wandering. I've been on the road over a year now. Before I started traveling, I lived a more common path. 9 to 5, house, weekends, relationships, all the things that come with that. Mostly, I raged against schedules, appointments, and demands such a life puts on your time. Inevitably, I began to live for the weekend, as the 9 to 5 consumed the majority of my time. I refused to see it in the moment, but I slowly became profoundly unhappy. There wasn't any severe, crushing depression. There was a slow acceptance of a common life, and watching life become more common day after day. There was nothing inherently wrong with that life, but I discovered that it was slowly killing me. I attribute this to never having found my passion, never have dedicated time to discovering my why. I had hobbies. There were plenty of things I enjoyed. I simply couldn't find the thing to dedicate my life to that would provide me some semblance of meaning. I wish I could point to some singular event or moment when I realized all this. In truth, I think circumstances and luck colluded to push me towards the road. In doing so, it forced me to find my real passion. I'm committed. I'm in love with life again. I'm living on the road. I don't know for sure what the future holds, but I do know that for the first time in a long time, I'm making plans. And those plans involve traveling and social media. I'm pivoting my life so that I can include more traveling and more experiences. The most beautiful fit I've found so far is social media. I dedicated most of my childhood and adulthood to avoiding social media like the plague, but here I am, and it just seems to work. I do finally have something worth sharing, and that might make all the difference. I hope you're enjoying this, because I truly am. I'm gonna give this the most honest shot I've given anything in my life. I really don't know how it couldn't be something special. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, kids. Oh, and if you have video ideas, comment. And maybe I'll film your idea. Huh? Huh? Huh?